Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to this Elixir tutorial series, and in this video we want to look at default arguments to our functions within our module. So we've already looked at modules in a few videos previous to this one, and in this video we're going to go ahead and create the module again. So we're going to use a define module, and we're just going to say test, and then we say do. We'll indent, and then we'll say define add. We'll just create an add function here, and we'll say a, and then the value of b is going to be a default, which we're going to say b, but the default value is actually going to be, let's just say 5, so that it can say do. And now we're going to say what we want is we want to say a plus b, and that's really all we're going to do. And now we're going to say end, and we'll close off our module. So now if we said test.add and we pass in a value, which we'll just say 5 to make things easy. And now you can see you get the value returned of 10. And why is that? Well, we passed in 5, which is the value for A. We didn't pass in a value for B, but B by default, because it's a default argument using this 2 / syntax, is 5. Now if we were to call the function in the exact same way, but this time we actually add another value, then we're going to get 15 back, because instead of having the default of 5, we have a value being passed in for 10. And you can see you get 15 back. So it's important that you guys understand about these default arguments. A lot of people don't use them, but it is important to at least understand, what it is in case you do run across it. So that's mainly what we're doing in this video, just making sure that we raise awareness towards these default arguments. And make sure you guys subscribe. I appreciate all the support, and have a good day. Bye. Hey guys, so a lot of you ask me, how do I get my foot in the door to become a programmer? And I just want to take a moment to mention Dev Mountain Coding Bootcamp is a 12-week intensive course that focuses on the technologies of the here and now for web development. Some of the things that they're actually teaching in this 12-week course, it's geared to get you into the industry by focusing on things like jQuery, Node.js, React, Angular, how to use GitHub. So a lot of the things that you're going to need to do as a developer as soon as you start, they're going to be teaching you in this coding bootcamp. And the entire goal is to be able to get you into the industry within 12 weeks. So if you guys are interested in learning more information about Dev Mountain Coding Bootcamp, just check out the link in the description tab of this video. Thank you for watching, and have a good day.